everyone, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a good supplier in China. Today, in this video, I would like to talk something about HID replacement and tell you how to choose the right LED corn bulb for your application. You can see there are so many corn bulbs here, and these corn bulbs mainly for HID replacement. The traditional lamps, metal halide lamp or high pressure sodium, they all use screw base, and they are used for garden lighting, street light, or some countryside road. So this is big potential market. And these two lines are our generation 1 corn bulbs. They are 316-degree beam angle, and they have chips on the bottom. They normally for horizontal installation, suitable for post-top or some global shape housing fixtures. And we have 12 watt, 16 watt, 20 watt, 24 watt, 27, 13.6, and 14.5 watt and 15.4. The efficiency normally can reach to 135 lumen per watt, and we also can produce high efficiency reach to 150 lumen per watt. And this is the base protection in avoid of shipping damage. You can see this generation 1 corn bulb is 316-degree beam angle, and some customer give us a feedback if we used for corn bulb head fixture or some vertical installation, we would waste a lot of lumen. So we designed this 118-degree beam angle corn bulbs. You can have a look. 118-degree beam angle, and is mostly used for corn bulb head fixture. Vertical installation, you can see here, and when we installed, and we can adjustment, we can change the direction of the light. As time goes by, many people cared about environment and the lighting pollution. So that's why we designed this corn bulb. You can see here, there's no chips on the button, so no light directing to the sky. We can save more energy and reduce the reduce the light pollution. At last, I want to talk more about our latest products. We have 4 different watt, 24 watt, 13.5 watt, 50 watt, and 80 watt. The biggest advantage of this corn bulb is size is very small. The diameter is only 70. You can see here, the size is almost the same with traditional HID. And the lumen 80 watt can reach to 12,800 lumen. We use Philips chips. More details I would like to introduce in the following video, and introduce them one by one for every details. And we can also customize different function for customer, such as sensor, and timing function, and weather sensor for your different application. So if you like our corn bobs, don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you so much.